morning children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and staying safe at your home. Okay, last class we have seen the poem. Okay, in today's session we are going to learn about articles. Okay, articles comes under the grammar part. This is your first grammar session. Okay, shall we? Yes. Okay, see what is the title? Articles. What is the spelling for this? A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S, articles, and these three are article words. Okay, a and the, these three are the articles. Now we are going to see explanation for one by one. Okay, first we are going to see about where we use a. See, a is used before words that begin with a consonant. A used before words that begin with a consonant. Okay children, we use a before the consonant sound. What are the consonant sound? Yes, except A, E, I, O, U. All those things are consonant sound. Okay. We omit all the vowels and remaining are the consonant sounds. See the example. A boy. So here the word is begin with a consonant sound. A boy, a tree. A boy, a tree. Okay children, listen carefully. A used before words that begin with a consonant. Example, a boy, a tree. A boy, a tree. So, are you all clear about where we have to use a? Okay. Then we are going to see the usage of an. Okay. An used before words that begin with the vowel sound. Okay. What are the vowel words, children? Yes, vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. So for these words we have to put an. Okay. See, an used before words that begin with vowel sound. Example, an arrow, an orange. See children, an used before words that begin with a vowel. Example, an orange, an arrow, an orange. Okay, are you all clear where we have to use a and an? Once again I am going to tell you, listen carefully. A is used before the consonant. Okay, consonant sound. And an is used before the vowel sound. What are the vowel sound? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. These are all the vowel. Okay, here we have to use an. Except this word, all the letters are consonant. There we have to use a. Okay, understood children? A used before words that begin with a consonant. Example, a boy, a tree. And used before words that begin with a vowel. Example, an arrow, an orange. Okay, and the last one is the. The used to give information about the particular or known nouns. Example, the Ganga, the sun. Okay, where we use the, if we particularly or specifically mentioning something means we have to use the. Okay, we have to use the only when we used to mention some particular things. Okay, so here I given an example for you. The Ganga, the sun. Okay, we have many rivers, but here I particularly said Ganga. So, okay, I said the river Ganga. So we have to use the. Okay, have you all understood, children? The used to give information about particular or known nouns. Example, the Ganga, the sun. Sun is the only one thing. So we have to use the. Okay, so have you all understood what is articles? So these are the articles A and the, and you know where we have to use the articles. We have to use a before the consonant sound. We have to use an before the vowel sound, and the we have to use if we mention something in a particular way. Okay. So these are the article words and we saw where we used it. Once again I am going to read this, children. Listen carefully. Used before words that begin with a consonant. Example, a boy, a tree. Here these two are consonant sounds, so I use a. Next, an. Used before words that begin with a vowel. Example, an orange, an arrow, an orange. See here, a is a vowel sound, so I used an. Okay, and here o is also a vowel, so I used an. Next, the. Used to give information about particular or known nouns. Example, the Ganga, the sun. Now you know where we have to use the article. So having that, we are going to fill this exercise. Okay. So see the first one. Dash umbrella is a useful thing. Dash umbrella is a useful thing. See here, umbrella. So the word begin with a vowel sound. What are the vowel? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sound. If a word begin with a vowel sound, we have to use an. We have to use an. Okay, understood, children? An umbrella is a useful thing. An umbrella is a useful thing. See the second one, children. Can you give me dash book on the table? Can you give me dash book on the table? Here they are mentioning that book on the table. The book which is on the table. They are particularly mentioning the book which is on the table. See here. So used to give information about particular or known noun. Where we have to use the when we are mentioning something in a particular manner. Here they mention the book which is on the table. So that's a particular thing. So we have to use the book. Can you give me the book on the table? Understood, children? Okay. Third one. This is dash excellent pencil. This is dash excellent pencil. See the word excellent. The word begin with E. E is a vowel sound. Yes, very good. So what we have to use here? An. Yes. This is an excellent pencil. This is an excellent pencil. Okay. See the fourth one. She is dash singer. She is dash singer. See the word singer. This begins with a vowel sound or consonant sound? Yes, very good. Yes is a consonant sound. So if the word begins with a consonant means what we have to use? Very good. We have to use a. She is a singer. She is a singer. Very good. So I need dash phone. I need dash phone. Here phone. See the word phone which begins with the consonant sound P. Okay. Again what we have to use? Yes, very good. So singer, phone. These two words begin with a consonant sound. So we use okay. Dash movie is based on real incident. Dash movie is based on real incident. Here we are talking about the particular movie, okay, that based on the real incident. So if we mention particular thing means what we have to use here? Yes, the movie is based on real incident. Okay, see the seventh one, children. Dash astronaut can go to dash moon. Okay, dash astronaut. See the spelling. See the word first. Astronaut. Astronaut begins with the spelling a. So a is a vowel sound. So what we have to use here? An. can go to dash moon. Okay, here we are going to use the. Okay, read the sentence again. An astronaut can go to the moon. An astronaut can go to the moon. 8th one. She ate dash apple. She ate dash apple. So the word begins with the vowel sound. So if the word begins with vowel sound means what we have to use? Very good. An. She ate an apple. She ate an apple. And then see the last one. I want dash burger. So see the word. Yes, it begins with a consonant sound. Burger, D. So what we have to use? Yes, we have to use a here. I want dash burger. I want a burger. Listen children, I am going to read from the first. See. Dash umbrella is a useful thing. An umbrella is a useful thing. So why did we use an here? Yes, because the word begins with vowel sound. So we use an here. An umbrella is a useful thing. Second one. Can you give me the book on the table? Can you give me the book on the table? So we are mentioning the book which is on the table. Okay, particularly we are mentioning the book. So we use the. Can you give me the book on the table? Next one. This is an excellent pencil. Why did we use here an? Yes, because the word begins with a vowel sound. So we used an. This is an excellent pencil. This is an excellent pencil. She is a singer. She is a singer. I need a phone. So these two words begin with a consonant. So we used a. Okay. She is a singer. I need a phone. Next. The movie is based on real incident. So why we use the? Yes, because we are talking about the particular movie which is based on real incident. So we use the. Okay. The movie is based on real incident. An astronaut can go to the moon. An astronaut can go to the moon. So here the word begins with the vowel sound. So we used an. Okay. An astronaut can go to the moon. So we are talking about the particular thing, moon. So we used the. She ate an apple. Here the word begins with the vowel sound. So we used an. She ate an apple. I want a burger. I want a burger. Because this is a consonant sound. So we use a. Have you all understood, children? Yes. Children, I have given you some picture. Okay. Having this picture, we are going to find out where we have to use a and the. Shall we? Okay, come. Okay, what is this? Yes, orange. What is the spelling for orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Very good. What is the spelling? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. So, orange begins with the sound O. What is this? This is a vowel sound. If the word begins with the vowel sound means what we have to use? See here. Used before the word that begins with the vowel sound. So, what we have to use? Yes, very good. We have to use an. Now, say children, an orange. An orange. Next, what is this? Yes, this is a lamp. Okay, what is the spelling for lamp? L-A-M-P. Very good. So, all these things you will be know in your class before itself. Okay, we have taught you 2-letter, 3-letter word, no? So, okay, what is the spelling for lamp? L-A-M-P, lamp. The word begins with a Yes, consonant sound. If the word begins with a consonant sound means what we have to use? We have to use a. Okay. So now tell me children, a lamp, an orange, a lamp. Okay. And see the third one. What is this? Yes, this is a book. What book is this? See, Bible. Bible. Okay. So particularly, I mentioned the book. This is a Bible book. So first one you have to use what? Book. What is the spelling for book? B O O K. Okay. What is the spelling for book, ma? B O O K. And I mentioned the name of the book. So what we have to use here? Yes, the. Because if we mention something particularly means what we have to use? The. So I have mentioned you the book name. This is a Bible. Okay. So I have used the book. Next. What is this? Yes, ice cream. You all like ice cream? Okay. Ice cream. What is the spelling for ice cream? I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Very good. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. So the word begin with the, yes, very good, vowel sound. The word begin with vowel sound means what we have to use? We have to use an. Now say children, an ice cream. An ice cream. So here also the word begin with the vowel. So we use an. Okay. An orange, an ice cream. Okay. See the last one. What is this? Yes, this is a kite. Okay. What is the spelling for kite, ma? K-I-T-E. Kite. Repeat with me. K-I-T-E. Okay. K-I-T-E. Kite. The word begins with the consonant sound. So what we have to use? We have to use a. Okay children, have you all understood? So listen, we are going to read once again. Okay. An orange. An orange. A lamp. A lamp. The book. The book. An ice cream. An ice cream. A kite. A kite. Children, now we are going to see an interesting activity related to the topic articles. So you have already know what are the articles? Yes, a and the. A and the. Now we are going to see where we have to use a and the. Where we use a? Yes, very good. Before the consonant sound, we have to use a. Okay. So where we have to use an? Very good. Before the vowel sound. What are the vowel sound? Vowel letter? Yes. A, E, I, O, U. So if the word begin with this letter means we have to use an. Okay. Finally, what? Yes. The. The is used if we talk about the particular thing. If we mentioning something specific. Specially means what we have to use? Yes, the. Here, what is this? Yes, very good. This is umbrella. What is the spelling for umbrella, children? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Okay, umbrella. So, see the letter. What is this? Yes, this is U. Okay, U is a vowel sound or consonant sound? Very good. U is a vowel letter. So, what we have to use? Very good. We have to use an. So, now See children, an umbrella. Tell me, an umbrella. So next, what is this? Very good. This is egg. Okay, what is the spelling for egg? E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. Okay, this also begin with a vowel sound. So what we have to use? Yes, very good. An. A-N, an egg. An egg. An umbrella, an egg. Understood children? Okay, next, what is this? Yes, this is a bee. Okay, so the word spelling for bee is B-E-E. B-E-E, bee. So the word begin with a consonant sound. So what we have to use? Yes, we have to use a. We have to use a bee. A bee. Okay, see children, an umbrella, an egg, a bee. An umbrella, an egg, a bee. So see, what is this? Yes, this is banana. Okay, do you all like banana? Okay, super. So see the spelling for banana children. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. So the word begin with a consonant sound. So what we have to use? Very good. A banana. A banana. Okay, see the next one children. What is this? Yes, this is a apple. Okay, what is the spelling for apple? A-P-P-L-E. A-P-P-L-E, apple. So what is the word? Is this a consonant or vowel? Yes, this is vowel. Okay, what we have to use? Very good. An apple. An apple. See the next one children. What is this? Yes, sky. What is the spelling for sky? S-K-Y. S-K-Y. So we are mentioning in a particular way. What we have to use? Yes, we have to use the. T-H-E. The sky. Tell me, the sky. Okay children, see, an umbrella, an egg, a bee, a banana, an apple, the sky. Okay, next one. What is this? Yes, this is sun. What is the spelling for sun? S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Okay, so there is only one sun. We are mentioning in a particular way. So what we have to use? We have to use the. So what is the spelling for the? T-H-E. Now read children, the sun. The sun. Okay, next one. What is this? I. What is the spelling for I? E-Y-E. E-Y-E, I. Okay, so the word begin with a vowel sound. If the word begin with vowel sound means what we have to use? Yes, very good. An I. An I. Next one. What is this? Yes, flower. How is this? This is a beautiful flower. Okay, what is the spelling for flower? F-L-O-W-E-R. F-L-O-W-E-R. The word begin with a consonant sound. Okay, so what we have to use? A flower. A flower. Now see children, an umbrella, an egg, a bee, a banana, an apple, the sky, the sun, and a flower. Have you all understood the article children? Okay children, now it's time for your home assignment. So complete your given worksheet. I have sent you a worksheet for you. You have to complete that and send it in your WhatsApp group. Are you clear? Thank you.